Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can upload video on YouTube from phone. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open YouTube. Once you open YouTube, you simply need to click on the plus icon in the bottom, and then you need to click on upload a video. And here you need to select any random video. So let me select a random video here, and then you need to click on next. Okay, here you can add sound, text, timeline, filters. So let me select any filter, click on done. Then you need to click on next. Okay, then you need to caption your short. I'm going to add it as short. And once you add caption, so I'm adding new house. So this is an example that I'm going to show. Then you need to click on upload short. So now you can see that the video is uploading in the right bottom corner. So this is a process by which you can upload video on YouTube. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. Well, see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.